In this special guest host edition of a mobile home makeover, we once again go back in time as my sister-in-law Kim takes on screen repair.
In this guest host episode of a mobile home makeover, I'm going to see if the screen equipment that I bought to repair this screen and the kitchen screen, which is also dented, so I bought a frame as well as the screen material, actually works. I didn't know that there were different sizes in the screen frame, so I'm going to check and see if that works. Let you know. So I took the screens off and this is the product I ordered from Amazon. 3 easy steps, I hope. Actually, I watched the video and it does look pretty easy to do. And I just held it up to here and they're the same width, thank goodness. So I will take this home. Well, I'm also gonna make sure that the screen color I got, yeah, it's black. So perfect. So, oops, there it is. So I'm going to take this home. This is unsanctioned. Blake doesn't know I'm doing this, but I wanted to do something nice to kind of move things along. So I'm going to replace this screen and rebuild this one since this is pretty dinged up. Actually, one guy said maybe you can use the existing 3 sides, so maybe I'll do that, see how that goes. I'm just walking through the house again. It's been a while since I've been here, well, like 2 days maybe, but I was here so often that it's weird and kind of sad that I haven't been here for a while, but I sure miss Deb and Blake. And there you go. Still looks good in here. It's refreshingly cool. It's hot as hell outside, so it's nice that it's cool. Okay. Gonna take these screens home, get them all fixed up. Note to self, if you spend $17 on a hose, it will be multiplied by 1,000% in frustration. Buy a better hose next time, Kim. Look at the plums. Really starting to get dark. And try that one, little one in a bit. And also some new news. Oh, look. Neighbors are fixing up this house. Yay, look how beautiful that old wood is. Good job, guys. It's for you, Deb. Can you hear it? Lift it to the higher ground. The queen of the bird, love to the just to the right, here I am, standing in the middle with you. Hey, I'm going to replace this screen. You can see that it's ripped. Never done this before. So there you go. I'm just watched a video, or I'm watching a video. He says they all say basically, get in here with a flathead, take out the spline, the old one, but you can reuse it. So I'm going to do my best to do that. Alright, now just peel this out. Step 1, easy. Alright, I'm gonna cut the screen, but I need to. So I got my screen, looks the same as the other one. So I'm just, as per the video I just watched, going to cut a little with a little extra. Oops, sorry. Probably too much extra. Way too much, I'm sure. Okay, so I'm going to try and reuse the old spline. So this is the tool that came with this thing, and there's 2 sides. This one has a groove on it. I don't know where the camera is. Here it is. So they say to put that in, start at one corner. Guess this is as good as any. And push it in. What I don't know is how, well, he just pushed it in, so let's see. Push it in. Alright. And feels like it's a little in the way. Just push right through. For the last part, he said he just holds his palm at the side. I don't know why he said that stops it. I don't know what it did, but we'll see how it turns out. Well, looky there. All right, then the next step, I'm gonna just go over it again. Next step is you take your flathead and poke in the corners. So I'm doing just that. Oh, taking off this spline extra. Yeah, it'd be nice if I had a nice sharp tool. Okay. In the corners. I'm just going to cut it right here. I've got plenty of screen, so if it comes undone, try not to cut the spline. Hey, where'd it go? There we go. I'm just going right at the where the spline meets the screen, so it disappears altogether. Oh, there we go. How about that? All right, getting there. Probably not on camera. Okay. Hey guys. So I'm doing the second frame, but you can see this one has a pretty gnarly dent in it. So I got this stuff that I showed you yesterday or in the last episode. I know it's sideways, but my camera's going that way. The 3 easy steps. I'm also going to try, as I saw in one video, I'm going to try and just replace this end and save the rest. Because why not? So I'm going to tear this apart. There's that spline. See what condition this is in. I don't know. Feels okay. Followed my screen replacing experience. Yeah, that feels alright. Then this comes apart. It's kind of just a little, it's just 4 corners, and then you cut the lengths to match. So here's one of the corners. Just comes out. And oh, duh. Probably have to put the screen out. So, these are dirty. yeah, I'm gonna have to save these guys because the thing I got didn't come with them. But look at that. Just slid right off. Well done, people. Okay, so I'm saving those. So I might take this one apart actually and use this length to measure this. It's bent, so I get an accurate one. So I'll be back. Okay, so here's the kit I got. So when I washed these, and it looks like this old one still, this one has a dent too. So I'm just going to use new ones for both of the lengths, but the corners are different. So I may have to just use the whole kit, and which is fine. I just hate wasting stuff, but I'll see if maybe I can. But anyway, these guys come with their own little splines pre-cut. So anyway, so I'm going to cut these, and I'll be back. I hope I measure it correctly. The good thing is I've got several pieces that I can, if I totally mess it up, that I can, and again, this is, oh, that's all right. Hey, I just hacksawed. That's nice. Very helpful. So it's a little hybrid of old and new. But we'll see. I'm going to take it down to the house. Here's the moment of truth. I'm doing this from the outside. I should really do this from the inside. And I don't know which one is which. Well, this is the old one. Ta-da! Ta-da! Look at that. It fit. And this one's the real moment of truth, because this is the one that's the hybrid, old and new, and so warped. So warped. All right, well, let's give it a try, huh? Like a charm. And they fit, even though one of them's really warped. It fits, and so we'll see how they actually work once we can open the windows again. It's been a blast to be your guest host here while Blake was away, and I'll see you probably in the background again. So if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.
Thanks for watching. Tune in next time for a return to the present.